I was gonna make sandwiches for dinner, but I'm having a rethink. How about canned spaghetti and smush grapes? Moving day special? What's up?
Dad, today I saw something, or more like felt it, and it sounds crazy. It is crazy.
Ruby, you're not crazy.
What about old Tom? Was he? Mina?
Hi, this is my mom. Ava.
Daniel.
We brought lasagna, bathroom tissue, and duct tape.
3 pillars of a happy move.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you. Come on in.
Show me your room.
Yeah. I gotta know, what'd you do to my best friend?
Sam?
Oh, he's your best friend. He seemed
A bit skittish. Yeah. He's heard some crazy things about this place. But now he's busy working you into his conspiracy theories.
Ta-da.
Wow. This will be so great. But I can't say I love your music.
That's not mine.
It's coming from in there.
Here, help me move this, okay? There's a door behind here.
Why would you paper over a door?
Cover something up.
Or to keep it in?
There has to be a logical explanation. Like maybe it sounds like it's coming from here, but it's not. It's an old house.
Definitely from in there.
We are available on free-to-air and everywhere. DSTV Channel 311, GoTV Channel 91, StarTimes Bang Channel 105, and on Zuku Channel 602. We are also available on Safaricom Base and on K24 Plus app.